Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel. A good broker for trading is Fusion Market. Now let's see how to create and verify the Fusion Market real and demo account permanently. Now come to Fusion Market site and click create an account. Enter your email address and password here. Give that password again. Now accept the term and condition and click sign up. Now the account is created. But now some important settings need to be set up. Now click completed ID verification on the account page. Under ID verification, some of our details should be entered as they are in the national ID. First, enter first name, last name and birthday. Then enter your address, city, zip code and country. Now enter your phone number and click next. Your data is now saved. Now select the account type you want. Select the platform and currency below. Select a security question from here and give the answer. This is important if you need to recover the account. So keep this in mind. Now turn on the checkbox and click next. Now the document should be uploaded. For this you can upload a driving license, national ID or passport. Upload a photo less than 10 MB so the corner of the photo are clear. Now click next. By now the live account has been created in the account. Now create the demo account. Click here create one now. Now select demo. Select the account type and trading platform below. Also select the base currency and leverage. Type the required amount for your demo account below the click create account. Now the demo account has been successfully created. How to deposit and withdraw. Now click payment and click profit under deposit. Select the deposit method from here. I select Skrill. Now select Skrill email, currency, country and amount and click deposit. You can also withdraw in this way. You can download the platform to trade. You can download MT4 and MT5 Windows, Mac, iPhone and Android software. You can log in the trading platform using the username and password sent to the email. This is a very good platform for trading. Now you know how to create, verify, deposit and withdraw Fusion Market demo and real account. Congratulations from me to become a profitable trader. Good luck.